So, hello, viewers. So, today we are back with another success story of Mrs. Harshita, who has finally cracked US CPA examination, and that with flying colors. First of all, congratulations. And how are you feeling at this point of time? How would you express your, happiness?
Thank you, ma'am. So, to be honest, I don't have literal words to express my happiness, but then yes, it really feel amazing.
Exactly. So, viewers, let me tell you one thing. Harshita is a candidate who eventually, started her journey, but because of some, she got blessed with a baby, and the struggle was not easy, I believe, right? So, I would
Absolutely.
like you to, share your
So you
success
have
story, your efforts and
to,
everything with the
yeah,
viewers.
yeah. So you have to juggle with the emotional, front. You have to juggle with the professional things and your personal goals. So it was not easy at all. But yes, I was sure that I need to crack CPA. So this just happened.
Yeah. So, viewers, let me tell you one more thing. Harshita eventually strike the balance between her personal life, her professional life, and her new role as a mother as well. So, the journey was not easy, but with the grace of the Almighty God and with the, motivation from Shami Saluja sir, and of course, your efforts as well, you have finally cracked such an international examination. And earlier, she used to work for Genpact, and in December 2022, you switched to Accenture, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So, first of all, the role of basic fundamental lectures.
Okay, so I think that is the key to crack this exam because without the fundamental, the concepts, I don't think it's possible to even attempt even a single MCQ.
Right.
So it's the base for that. Yeah.
Sure. So, I still remember Harshita. So, it was, a time of, Diwali 2020. I believe, right? When you just, so I won't name that institute that used to be, and even if you talk about today's date, that is a reputed institute. But you still, choose our institute. You watched the lectures, demo lectures, went through everything. So, how would you, recommend the viewers to, choose our institute when it comes to quality teaching rather than marketing only? Yeah.
Yeah, so when I thought of this CPA, so
Mhm.
I explored almost all the institutes in the industry. So all the names, right? But and AKPIs was one of them. So I spoke directly, I think, to you first, and
Yes.
then so and then I spoke to sir. So I think the very first conversation that I had with him, it was it just clicked that he's the one that he can help me out in just achieving my dreams. So I think the takeaway from that conversation is he focused on my foundations. He just while talking he just asked me, like, the basic questions of accounting, and then he was the way he was explaining the entire the process, like the study plan and everything. So
Mhm.
I think that was he was the only one, like the main faculty, who was directly having a conversation with the student. So that was the one thing, because all the while when I was reaching out to the other institute, it was like, very, to be honest, very commercial. They would just provide you the recorded lectures, or they would just say that we would have a live lectures, but you would not have a clarity.
Yeah.
So I think for me, having a one-to-one conversation with the teacher is very important, because at times when you are studying, you have a lot of questions, and if he's there, that he would be there, and if I would even just text him, he's there to answer me back. So it was like that.
Yeah. So another question is, it becomes really very difficult for graduates and even postgraduates to, take a decision as to CP exam is easy, is it easy or difficult? And then, sometimes to solve this dilemma, they find themselves in an ambiguous state of mind. So what kind of remarks would you actually, like to give on this very particular question there too?
I would say, nothing is impossible, but then of course this is not an easy feat, not at all. But then yes, with the proper mentorship, with having a conceptual study and the time management, you would definitely get there.
Yeah.
So if I talk about myself, I was very confused. Like, when I started thought of it, so I don't know that I was not even sure that would I be able to manage with the daughter, with the office and everything. But then Shammi sir was always there to push me and motivate me. And I think he is the biggest reason, and I would give a big time credit to him, because I'm not sure that if he was not there, I might have, just not pursued it. But yeah, he was there and he just made me sure that you just go ahead, you just start studying. I'm there. I will, because it was a long time gap.
Hmm.
So maybe I had some silly questions, but he was always there to answer all those things.
Gratitude appreciated. And my another question is like how you actually, dealt with the simulations and MCQ, and how many times of revision you actually did before you, turned up for the examination.
Okay, so MCQs was kind of easy for me. So from the first attempt, I think I was comfortable with them. Uh, but still, I have appeared for, like, every unit. I have at least appeared for 3 times
Or-
MCQs, and simulations always were, like, I would say, very overwhelming for me.
Mhm.
I did not achieve very good marks in comparison to MCQs.
Mhm.
And sir was always just, you have to create a base for simulations also, because just having a command over MCQs would not help. So yeah, simulations. And when big simulations and the exhibits and everything comes, you would definitely get panic. So that is the key. And but I think the approach and step by step approach to break down how to do it would definitely help. And sir was there to in my first mock, I remember, I could not attempt two simulations,
Mhm.
and that was an eye opener for me. And sir told me that apart from concept, you need to crack the time management thing also. So that way
But
it
then
helps.
finishing
Yeah.
line test, it actually served as a base for you to,
Absolutely.
take your
Yeah.
decision. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the next question relates to the role of GLEM software in the preparation USEPA curriculum.
Mhm.
So what kind of, questions, whatever questions were incorporated in the software. So the questions were quite similar, or they were from the concepts only, because I would rather, feel like many of the viewers would like to have this, answer to the question. So the exactly replica of the questions is there in the actual examination, or conceptually the questions are same, whether MCQ or simulation.
I would say a software, you cannot imagine studying without a software.
Mhm.
And you would not get exact replica of the questions there. You can expect the unexpected. But yes, the base was, the concept is same. So GLEM would definitely prepare you for that, the important day. So you would not feel like, it is just coming out of nowhere. You would definitely able to relate it. But yes, questions would be different, but more or the less, since you have a hold on the concepts, you would definitely be comfortable in answering those MCQs and simulations.
Exactly. So
Yeah,
how would you rate AKPS Institute on a scale of 10 at the end?
I would say 10. No doubt, no questions.
Okay. Thank you so much, and congratulations to you once again, because I still remember you anyhow was juggled with the things and managed it, and success is there at your side. The ball is in your court right now. So congratulations one more time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Enjoy
And I
your
would, I would really like to thank you and sir for this achievement. Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you so much. Thank you
Yeah,
for your time, for the
thank you,
feedback.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.